What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here, welcome back, and this is the first video that it's gonna be 4K, 60 frames per second, because we have better camera there, and this is gonna be an unboxing of Sony Extra Bass MDR headphones. Let's go! Okay, so here we go, the box, this is the knife. The box is professional, have something about it. Let's just make a shortcut on the top. Right here. Okay, now let's open it up. Okay, it takes some time to open this up. So the packaging seems professional. Open it up a bit. So that's cool, right? So we have Sony right there. And that's gonna be the cable down below. I'm just gonna open this up. We have nothing left here, so just empty. Okay, so what we have here? So this one have 3 lines right here, which means they have built-in microphone, but this one it's 3 lines, which means if you want to plug it into a computer you will have problems. Now it works on iPhone because iPhone support 3 dots, one is for left, one is for right, and one is for microphone. You won't be able to plug this and have both on computer, a microphone and headphones at the same time. That's why I have something new right here. This package right here. So as far as you can see, it have audio and microphone, and you need to plug it here inside. This support 3 and these two have only 2 dots. So check out this, how to work with this one. Take that off. Let's open it up. So this one it is. Now how to work with this one? Usually computer on the back side have both audio and microphone, and what you do is plug this inside here, and now you put these two into computer and you have headphones and microphone. Now they're not a USB, so that's quite a quick solution how to solve this. Otherwise they're supposed to work on the phone. Okay, so we're not gonna experiment with my computer, which is, I use these two. I'm gonna take this one into my headphones, that is the dongle for iPhone. Put it in iPhone, it's supposed to work. Okay, so let's listen it up, let's see if it have this one, so you can actually extend it, listen. Let's go, let's listen some music. I have to say there's some good sound though. So they can rotate, can expand, have microphone built in, you have everything together. Okay, so hopefully that was helpful. If you needed some extra explanation, you can comment down below. That's gonna be completely of the unboxing, and my name is Nejc Filipič, and we'll see you next time guys. Goodbye.